ULTRASWING is the first truly toolless pole lowering system on the market. And what I'd like to do today is just show a comparison between ULTRASWING and our competitor product. Both products work exactly the same way. You lower the pole, but the unique thing is, as I say, the ULTRASWING is completely toolless. How you have to lower this here is you have to take a spanner and then undo the 4 bolts. You pull the pin out, take the weight, move it down, and then you have to try and find the hole to put the pin in. That's the old style product from our competitor, and then this is ULTRASWING. ULTRASWING, truly toolless system, no requirement for a spanner. We use a spring-loaded pin system here. On the back of it there are 12 contact points, and what this allows you to do is you pull the pin out and then you can safely lower the pole just by pulling the pin out there. Much quicker, much safer, no need for tools, and it just makes life a lot easier on a mine site. And ladies and gentlemen, that's ULTRASWING. If you want to improve the safety on a mine site and make life easier for your operators, you can contact us at phoenixems.com.au